That is gluten-free flour. There you go. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick today. Gluten-free flour. I've been asked so many times how to make gluten-free flour. We're going to make it. Gluten-free flour, normally about 58-59% of rice flour, and the extra 41-42% usually made up of corn flour or arrowroot and tapioca flour. Now I've got a blend here which I use, so we're going to make it. We're only going to make 100 grams. If you want to make a kilo, you times everything by 10. It's as easy as that. Okay, so take a bowl. In there, rice flour. In there, cornstarch. In there, tapioca flour. Mix up. That is gluten-free flour. There you go. Share with your friends. Tell them how easy it is to make gluten-free flour. And if you like what we're doing, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. Catch you in the next video.